Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. I'm happy I'm here. I'm happy you're here. I am doing a painting today that was inspired by a very, very good close friend of mine, Yen C. Art. A lot of you call him Jan C. Art, but the Jan is actually pronounced Yen. You've heard me speak of him before. He's a good friend. He comes to visit. He's a marvelous painter. I love him dearly. And I asked him if he mind if I tried his swipe that he did a couple of days ago, because I just love the color combination. He said, by all means. So I don't have all the paints that Yen had, but I have paints that are close. So Yen used as his base coat DecoArt Americana, the Prussian blue with just a squirt of golden fluids, Prussian blue. I am using something very, very similar. I'm using Creative Inspirations in the Paynes gray. Now, Yen is in Germany. He's originally from Denmark, so I don't have the pouring medium that he used, but I have something, once again, that's very, very similar. All his paints, as well as my paints, are mixed with 1 part paint, 3 parts Floetrol is what I used. Yen used Malverk, M-A-L-V-E-R-K, pouring medium, 1 part Liquitex pouring medium, and 1/2 part of GAC 800, and some water in some of the paints that needed it. The Creative Inspirations Paynes Gray needed some water. It's a very, very thick paint. His swiping colors are yummy. He used DecoArt Dazzling Metallics in the copper, and I am using the same. He used DecoArt Americana Metallics in the 24 karat gold. I'm using the same. Yen used DecoArt Americana Pearl. Is that what he used? No, Enchanted Shimmer in the white. I don't have it. I'm using DecoArt Extreme Sheen in the pearl, and I will list all of these paints in the description box for you guys. He used, what else? I'm getting confused here. I am using DecoArt Metallics in the Peacock Pearl, but I added to this just a dash of the of the golden fluids in the turquoise. Yen used, what did he use? He used the Dazzling Metallics in the teal. I did not have that. Yen used the DecoArt Americana in the baby blue. I am using that as well. I'm using the DecoArt Extreme Sheen Sky Blue Topaz, and I don't know what the heck Yen used. I'm starting to confuse myself. He used, and I'm using as well, the DecoArt Extreme Sheen Aqua Marine. Now I am going to lay my colors down the exact same way that Yen did. He did swipe with his base coat color, so if you see me use this, this is the Creative Inspirations in the Paynes Gray. So we are working today on an edge canvas, which is a 16 by 16. I love these. I love them. I get them on sale at Jerry's Artorama. We are actually using this size canvas and this type of canvas at the Fluid Art Experience coming up here in just a few more weeks in Seattle, Washington. Can't wait to wrap my arms around some of you. Can't wait to see some of you again, and can't wait to meet some new painting peeps. This girl is beyond grateful, and we are going to have a blast. And I can't wait to see my artist friends, which have become good friends to me. So happy as a pig in poop, as my dad used to say. Let's put some music on, guys. Let's do a Yen C. Art swipe. Thanks for being here.